I'm making mushroom Alfredo Fettuccine today. Here we need 1 pound of fettuccine, 8-ounce baby bella mushroom, half pint of heavy cream, and half stick of butter. Then we need some hard cheese blend. You can have Parmesan, and I use this blend a lot, so that's what I need. Then I put some truffle oil in my fettuccine too. It gives you a very strong mushroom flavor. I'm cutting up some mushroom now. I'm just going to cut it to very small pieces. You don't have to put the mushroom in your fettuccine, but we love mushrooms, so that's why I put mushrooms in my fettuccine. This recipe is very easy. You don't have to put mushrooms in there if you don't like. You can just make really very basic Alfredo fettuccine just with the sauce. Okay. I'm going to put the butter in there. At the same time, I'm going to cook my fettuccine noodles too. Butter is melting in my pan. Now I'm just putting my mushroom in there. I'm going to cook the mushroom for a while with the butter. It kind of cooks the mushroom down. And same time, the water is trying to get boiled. And half pint of the heavy cream to the pan. Okay. And after you put the heavy cream there, you're just going to cook mushroom with the heavy cream for a while, until you feel like mushroom is well cooked and it smells really good. Now just some black pepper in there. Okay, so you just really need to stir this sauce really well, so make sure it's not get sticky or burn. Just remember, turn your heat down a little bit. The water is boiling now. Now I'm just going to put my fettuccine noodles in the water. Okay, going to add a little bit of salt inside the water. I always want you to put some salt to boil your pasta anyway. Okay, so now I'm going to put my cheese blend inside my heavy cream, about 2 cups. I'm going to use up this whole bag today. Okay, and then your cheese will actually be melted in the heavy cream really well, and it looks really smooth. Okay, now I just need to put some truffle oil in there. For truffle oil or mushrooms, you don't really have to put it in there if you don't like it. So if you just want to make very basic Alfredo fettuccine, all you need is other ingredients. Okay, look like my sauce is already done and noodles are still cooking. It's almost there. Okay, then I drained my cooked noodles, and now I'm putting my noodles inside the sauce, and I'm gonna stir it up, mix them well with each other. Okay, and it's almost done. Okay, the Alfredo fettuccine is ready to eat. Don't eat too much, it's really fattening, trust me. Okay, see you next time. Bye.